It's a great day for painting, couples painting that is, with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hope everybody's having a marvelous day. The sun is shining, we're on this side of the grass. Doesn't get much better than that. And we're painting. So today, first John's gonna go first. This is what, an 8x10 canvas, John?
This is 8x10 canvas.
8x10 canvas. Okay. So John's gonna tell us what he's gonna do.
Pour some of this liquidy white paint on here. I'm going to spread it around.
Hey.
Hey, what?
The thing is floppy.
Floppy. Mustn't have the there you go.
You got a lot on the sides. You want to drip in there? Or?
Yeah. Picking up where I got on the side there?
Yeah.
I don't really care.
Well, all right then.
So let's go with a little
That's a good idea. I didn't do my paint yet.
yellow over here. Then I have some folk art berry, which I've never used before, I don't think.
Yeah. Well, maybe not. I don't know.
And then we have some
We want.
aqua green. And some diazonine purple.
That was Basics Bright Aqua. And he used Deco Art Cadmium Yellow.
Cadmium yellow. Okay.
I wonder if the paint should have been thinner.
Paint's beautiful.
Okay.
It's just beautiful. Beautiful. Couple things there. Couple roses. Let's see. I got some paint here. I have a little paint around here. Like so. Then I'm going to add a little more right here. Oop, look at that. Yeah, I kind of covered it up. No, use that stick, it might not be white. Now we're going to go to the air gun, the old Florida method. Now look at the cells. I didn't even put anything in there.
Whoa!
Watch out.
I think you need something. Whoa.
Get your canvas out of there. I told you before, get your canvas out of there.
All right. With that, but.
I like that splash of yellow.
Trying to find some cardboard for protection.
You're protecting yourself or protecting the house?
Protecting the floor and the walls. Ooh, pretty. Great.
I think I have the pressure just set a little too high. I have to adjust that.
Want me to change it for you?
No, it's okay. I much higher.
What is that?
That's lighter, yeah. That's lighter. Oh, that's pretty colors.
Very cool. Ah.
A little paint goes a long way in this, huh?
Yeah, that's
Oh.
kind of a nice thing, huh? Whoa. It's probably
I think that's
something
good.
you're better off doing not in your kitchen.
Okay, thank you.
No, you gotta pop the bubbles.
Oh, I'll get doing light off camera.
Oh, okay.
Have a good day.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Give us a thumbs up. Check out our other paintings at eBay username John Him. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching. Be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.